Okay, this video is going to be about your Chapter 2 text features. So, we have a list right here of some of the things that you could use as text features. So you can see headings, subheadings, captions, drawings or paintings, fun facts, table of contents, all those things. Some of the big ones are going to be a map, because this is a war that we're talking about, glossary, because there's going to be a lot of words that people might be unfamiliar with, highlighted or bold important words. A timeline would be one that you could definitely use for this, and a diagram would be great. You can use any of them, but those are just ones that might go really good with your Chapter 2 draft. So I'm going to show you exactly where you will be doing this. So here you have your Chapter 2 notes. You're going to scroll down or click in your outline. There's your Chapter 2 draft. And then your Chapter 2 text features. This is really important that you know that you're going to have two sets of text features, because your Chapter 2 is going to be pretty long. So we're going to actually break your, whatever you write, we're going to break it into two parts, and then you're going to have two sets of text features. So this will be your first page of text features, and then you'll have a completely separate page of text features right here. So I thought that, okay, so you are going to have two sets of text features. I thought it might be beneficial to show you a few examples from last year, because we really want to challenge you at this point to try text features that you've never tried. So if you've never done a timeline, we're going to challenge you to try that timeline. If you've never done a glossary or a fun fact box, we're going to challenge you to try that too. Okay, so you're going to do it just like you've done any other text features. You're going to click right here. You're going to insert a drawing, and you're going to insert a drawing, and then you're going to use your word art and your text box, all that stuff to make your Google drawing, which you should be pretty good at by now. Remember that you can have two Google drawings, but no more than two. So with that being said, I thought it would be good to show you. Here's one from last year. This is Rhines, and he did kind of a compare and contrast between the cavalry and the infantry, and their his topic was Civil War battles and tactics. So he has this would be considered a diagram, because he's telling exactly what different things are, and he has arrows pointing to it. And he has a little graph down here too. How many soldiers fought for the Union and the Confederate? Fourth graders, hear me say this. You are writing about the American Revolution. You are not writing about the Civil War. We wrote about the Civil War last year, so don't go start making Civil War text features. I'm just showing you what they did last year, okay? Then we have this one. This is Annabelle. She did a really good job of making a timeline, and she has, it looks very nice and neat, and she gives a little brief description of what each thing is. She also has a glossary, so she defines what Confederate, Union, and Venture means. I'm not sure. So she could have highlighted that, so the word Confederate, wherever that is, right here, she could have bolded that, because you see that done in books. They'll bold it in the text. So in your draft, you could bold the words that you put in your glossary, which would be really cool. And then she also has a fun fact. So she has 3 different text features. And then you'll see that she has another set of text features up here. So she has 2 sets of text features for her focus topic, which was the Battle of Gettysburg. Then we can come here. This is Braden's. And he has 2 sets of text features for his focus topic. This is Natalie's. Scrolling. So she has a timeline and a graph that she made, which is great. This one is Timmy's. This one is medicine and diseases. So see how they're all different, because they're all about their focus topic. This one's really good. This is Daniel's, and he has a really, really good glossary. I mean, that looks like something you would see in a published book. And then I think he did, maybe he didn't, but you could bold the words that he uses in his glossary. And then he has a picture with a caption. So that's just to kind of give you some ideas. Once you're done with everything and your teacher tells you to move on, you may start working on your Chapter 2 text features after you're done watching this video completely. So you should have 2 sets of text features. Each set of text features should be no more than 2 Google Drawings. All right, good luck. Have fun.
Round of applause.